Master from San Diego Global Center. Today, I have a special privilege and pleasure of sharing about our compensation plan because we are all going to be earning $50,000 a month, right? So shall we start? In Atomy, it is very important for us to understand how the products are tied to PVs, which is point values. So let's find out. First, go to the website and type www.atomy.com/US for the United States, CA for Canada, and AU for Australia. Once the page has opened up, click Login. Here you will type your ID and password to go shopping. So once you're logged in, and I'm not sure if you recall from the last session, you cannot purchase any products with the guest password. So it has to be the real password, okay? So once you have logged in, you're going to be clicking on Shopping Mall. Once you have clicked on Shopping Mall, you will be able to see various products there. So many amazing products. You will notice every product has PV value associated with it. I'm going to show you an example here on this slide. 𝐒𝐲𝐻IM in the United States is $92 for 54,600 PVs. What about Absolute Skincare Set, the award-winning skincare set, $215 plus taxes, and they will give you 130,000 PVs, which is really generous. So please note that the PVs differ based on each country. Now, I'm going to show you how the points are being worked to your advantage. So every time you shop online with your membership ID, you will be accruing PVs to your personal PV, okay? So if you look at the example, at the time of this recording, we had an amazing promotion package that gives you 300,000 PVs, okay, as a package. They will give you extra points for purchasing this. So just by you purchasing this package, you already become an agent. And these are all the things you need anyways. So that's amazing, right? So once you have achieved 300,000 PVs, you're now an agent and you become commission eligible with your personal PV. So congratulations, now that you have become an agent and became commission eligible, so how can you earn commission with those PVs? So now Atomy is binary system. So left group and right group, just the way I have left hand and right hand. So you will start registering members who also love the products as much as you do. And as you register them to the left side and right side, you will start accruing PVs to your group PV to either your left or right side until when? Those sides also become 300,000 PVs. And lastly, you will earn commission once both sides reach 300,000 PVs. How important to note, your personal PV will not flush or reset. However, once you get paid, your left side and right side will flush and become zero. And guess what? You will still have consumers continuously purchasing products, so you will continue to get commission. And I will show you more details in the next slides. The reason I'm showing you this slide is some people have a confusion that says, oh, I've been purchasing so many products, but I never received commission. Let's dive in why. Okay, let's say you have reached 300,000 personal PVs and you became an agent. And in this example, on the left side, you have many PVs that has accrued over the course of time because people that have been registered to your left side, been making a lot of purchases. But you have not received any commission because on the right side, the score is zero, okay? And the reason being is, why? Because the right side in the red circle, it shows the right side has point of zero. Remember in the past slide I mentioned, both your left side and right side has to have over 300,000. So your right side is waiting for you to generate over 300,000 PVs. Important to note, Atomy is an amazing company because other companies, the left side will also flush to zero every month or whatever the period is. However, Atomy waits for you for both sides to reach over 300,000 PVs. So that is the reason why this person in this example has not received any commission. Here's a secret to why everyone can succeed with Atomy. The CEO Hangyo Park, when he created this marketing plan, he created so that everyone can become successful. And here's why. Let's find out. It is an unlimited binary system. The legs will continue to go down and down, further and further, and there's no end to that. So you're going to continue to create consumers and leaders under you to your left side and right side. So as explained earlier, once you reach 300,000 personal PVs, you're an agent. I'm going to show you the left group PVs. It shows that 354,900. What about the right group? The right group has 346,200 PVs. So what happened here? You have 300,000 PVs over that in both legs, right? So what happened is you get about plus or minus $60 as a general commission. Have you seen a shopping mall where you've been shopping and you made some referrals and they started shopping there too? Has any of the online shopping mall given you any type of cashback? No, right? I have never received any cashback from any of the markets that I've been to. However, Atomy, just by you being a consumer and having some referrals and left and right side, you can get cashback. That is a huge incentive you can get on top of having the absolute quality and absolute price products. And once you have received the $60 plus or minus cashback, your left side and right side will reset and become zero. However, again, your personal PV does not reset. So guess what? The next time you make a purchase, you can look at your left side and right side to see which side you want to put that PVs in, because you will continue to brush your teeth, continue to wash your hair, correct? You don't have to put it on your own personal PV. You can put it on either left or right side while you're helping your partners or your consumers. You can also get closer to receiving commission. So it is important to understand this. In our lives, how many bills are we paying? We have a rent, right? We have cell phone bills. We have electricity bills. We have so many residual bills. But how many residual incomes do we have? Almost zero. Before I started Atomy, everything was labor income or active income for me. But after Atomy, now I have residual income, which is the money that comes in whether I'm working or not. We have residual bills. Why not create residual income? By what? Understanding this marketing plan just a little bit. So you have heard a little bit about how the point system works as a personal PV, left group PV, right group PV. So now let's put this into this perspective. Many people have struggles explaining what Atomy is. They go into sometimes into too details, sometimes too not much of details, especially when they meet new prospects. Here's a little solution for you. Here's how you can explain to new prospects. You can just simply say Atomy is a shopping mall, online shopping mall that allows you to purchase absolute quality products at an absolute price. So basically, instead of you going to other shopping malls, as you can see here, you just shop at Atomy shopping mall. How much does it cost to create your membership? $0, right? It's free. Do you have to pay any maintenance fee? Is there any website usage fee? Is there any auto ship? Zero. CEO Hangyo Park wanted to make sure we are consumer-based business, not business-based business. So basically, all you have to tell people is, I have an amazing product that I'm using and I'm saving so much money. And I'm getting a cashback. So all you have to do is switch your shopping mall from another place to Atomy. Atomy is a new brand, new company. Amazing. Wow, what an amazing company it is. Atomy, I am so grateful forever to CEO Hangyo Park for allowing me to meet this such an awesome company that I have never met before. With Atomy, not only you can become a smart consumer or earnsumer, you can also create a wealth that creates residual income for you until when? Rest of your life. And does it stop there? No, it goes to your child and to their child, 3-generation inheritance. What an amazing company it is. I hope you found this information very informative